how to fix Forza Horizon 6, your graphics card and CPU are not supported. So first I recommend checking your drivers. So you want to open up either the AMD software or NVIDIA software, and here you just want to click on manage updates. We're going to select yes, and here if you see any updates for either the software or your chipset drivers, you just want to click on update. Now once you have done this, we can proceed to the next step, which is going to be opening up our searching for graphics. So you will see graphics settings. You want to click on it, graphics settings here, and if you see hardware acceleration, make sure you turn that off for Forza Horizon 6, and then you will select add desktop app. You just want to find where you have installed Forza Horizon 6, and I'm just going to pretend like Genshin here is Forza Horizon 6. GPU preference, you want to set this to high performance. So high performance, and it's going to detect your GPU, and also make sure optimization for windowed games are turned off. Afterwards, this should fix the issue. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.